I have another fine example of a C2 Corvette convertible about to hit our showroom floor for sale. This is a wonderful car. It's a 340 horse solid lifter, 327 engine, 4-speed, 1963. This is the first year for the C2 generation Corvette. They made a lot of changes, not only in the styling, but the suspension. It's got rear independent suspension. 63 and 4 do have 4-wheel drum brakes. And of course, beautiful, beautiful body. Does have aftermarket set of mag wheels on it, 15 inches with radial TA tires. This is a factory silver on red interior car. Check out that interior. Just beautiful color combo. And 63 was the only year here where they put the inserts in the hood. Very nice styling. 64 of these were just painted, no inserts. So that's how you can always tell if it's a 63. Does have power windows, which is a very rare option. Really cool to see on this car. They work really well. You can see it does have the higher red line tachometer for the 340 horse solid lifter 327 engine. Just listen to that engine purr. You can really hear those solid lifters. They just sound awesome. Power window on the passenger side. Driver's side. Work as expected. Wipers. You can see the clock is working as well. Let the radio warm up. There's a horn. Headlights come up nice and easy. Make sure we're in neutral. Really nice instrument cluster here. All the lettering's very vivid. They all appear to be working and reading right. That's where you'll find your codes for the VIN number and the paint and body. It is a black soft top, and I believe we have a few restoration pictures. When they were doing all the paint and body work. Very cool. All right, there you have it, folks. There's your 327, 340 horsepower, solid lifter Chevy engine. This engine has a full tune-up, and we got this thing dialed in and running really strong, just how a 340 horsepower engine is supposed to run. Revs up really quick and powerful. You can hear it sucking all that air. Got all new plugs. This does have a Edelbrock ABS carburetor on it, 650 CFM, electric choke. The original carburetor, what came off the car, was just leaking really bad, so we put that on. And these engines run a lot better with these newer Edelbrock ABS carburetors from what we found. And does have, we set that up, set the timing, all the plugs and everything, and this engine is very, very happy. Does have an aftermarket aluminum radiator. Keeps it running very nice and cold, even on a hot day. You can see it does still have the factory style fuel filter there. And it is, the numbers down there do match the VIN, and they agree with a 340 horse manual trans. Car also, we went through and redid all the brakes. It's got a brand new master cylinder on it. It's got new wheel cylinders all the way around. It's got new brake hoses all the way around. And it's got new drums and hardware. The braking system on this car is all new and in tip-top shape. This car is running and stopping very good. So you won't have to worry about that when you buy this car. Silver paint and bodywork is in very good shape. See the front fenders, this is where they'll crack right here when people put the wrong size tires on these, and you can see ours is not cracked, it's in very good shape. Gotta love the exhaust. Has a nice period correct sound. If you're interested in this 63 Corvette 340 horsepower, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to make us an offer, please give us a call. We're happy to help. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.